Sairam to all. Children, I am very happy with your performance. You are listening to your parents, listening to the teacher, cooperating with us, submitting the worksheet on time. You are writing everything which we are providing in the videos. Children, I am very happy for this. I hope you all will continue your studies well. You will listen to your parents at home. So children, for this summer vacation, I am giving you a maths project work. So this you have to do in your summer vacation. You have to study at home. Okay. So I have selected the two chapters. The chapter number 1 that we have done and the chapter number 2 that also we have completed. The maths project, the topic number 1 I have taken from knowing our numbers, and chapter 2 that is whole numbers. Okay, you have to make a project file for maths. Okay, either you can take assignment sheet papers or you can take file papers. Okay, you have to make in that and you have to staple it, or either you can tie it with a ribbon. Okay, so children, in your first page, cover page, you have to write like this: maths project. You have to write down the heading of the chapter name, that is knowing our numbers, and second whole numbers. Okay, in your second page of file, what you have to write, see, you have to write your name, you have to write your standard, subject, your division. You can write your old roll number also, or you can leave that. Okay, in second page you have to decorate it fully. You can write your school name also. Okay, this you have to decorate yourself, it depends on you. Okay, for the chapter number 1 we are having knowing our numbers. This is the chapter 1. So for this chapter, the project I have selected for you is that you have to write the names of most 5 populated cities in India. Okay, write their population in Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration in numbers and in words. In numbers also you have to write, and in words also you have to write. Okay, you have to write down the 5 populated cities in India. So you can take the help of Google with your parents. You can take their helps also. With the help of your parents, you can find on the Google the 5 most populated cities in India. We have already discussed the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Okay, then you have to write down the cities number, the populated cities in numbers and in Indian system. See, I am showing you one table. You have to make one table like this. Here you have to write name of the city, city 1, city 2, city 3, city 4, cities 5. Here you have to write down the city name, like Mumbai. First city name is Mumbai. You are writing Mumbai. Okay. Here you have to write the heading, this heading, that population in Indian system of numeration. You have to write down this table, you have to make, and you have to show here in the Indian system of numeration. See, here you have to write the population in numbers, like it is 1164321. If it is like this, you can write it like this. Okay, and in this column you have to write it population in words. It means in according to Indian system, 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. What you will write? 11 lakh 64,321. This is the example I am giving you. Okay, again I am repeating. Here you have to write in numbers like 1 1 6 4 3 2 1, 1 1 6 4 3 2 1. Okay, it depends that what is the population of that city. Okay, this is the example I am giving you, and in this block you have to write it in words in the Indian system of numeration. And here then you have to write the second city. That if the second city is Delhi, you have to write it Delhi. That you have to search yourself and note down there. Okay, so you have to complete all the 5 cities and you have to show them according to Indian system of numeration. You have to make table like this. Okay, now next is, this is the international system of numeration. See, look at this. Here is the name of the city. Second table, this is the second table you have to make. This is the same table, but the difference is here international. We are talking about here is international. You have to make international system of numeration. Here you have to write down in numbers, and here you have to write down in words like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 millions. Okay, you have to write in words, and here you have to write in numbers. Okay, and here you have to write in words. Okay, and here what you have to mention, you have to mention the city name. So I hope you have got what you have to do for project of chapter number 1. You have to note down the 5 populated cities in India. Then you have to make the 2 tables. One is like this, and second one is international system of numeration. You have to note down the cities population in numbers and in words, both for international and for Indian system of numeration. Okay, this project file consists of marks. Okay, so you all have to complete this project work during your vacation. Now we proceed for chapter number 2, that is whole numbers. In whole numbers we have discussed what are whole numbers. We have discussed the whole numbers and the properties of whole numbers. So what you have to do in this is, yes, the table provided here lists properties of whole numbers. Write any 3 example against the appropriate property in the second column. Okay, there is provided a table of properties of whole numbers to you. You have to write down any 3 examples against the appropriate property. You have to show three examples of all the properties which you have provided in the table. So this is the table which you have to make. See, you have to write the question also. Like if you are writing in your project file, you will write chapter 2 whole numbers. Then you will write this. Okay, this is the question. Then you have to make the table. This table you have to make. Okay, children. Now you have to write the three examples here. It is given examples. It is the properties of whole numbers, and this is the series one. First property we are discussing about the commutativity under addition. What is commutative under addition? Yes, that A plus B is equals to B plus A. Same way you have to show some examples related to this property. Okay, now commutativity under multiplication. What is that? Same way you have to show 3 examples for commutativity under multiplication, that A multiply B is equals to B multiply A. You have to note down the three examples. How you have to show that if A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 3, then you have to take the formula for this and you have to represent with the help of three examples. Okay, now second one is associativity of addition. You have to write the property of associativity of addition. Okay, now this is the second table, that associativity of multiplication. You have to write the property for this. Okay, then the even is Distributivity of multiplication over addition. We have done now all these. Let A, here is B plus C. Now what happen in distributive property? We have to distribute. This will go here, so it will become A multiply B, or AB also you can write. Then plus sign will come. Then A will go with C, that A multiply C. Okay, this is the distributive of multiplication over addition. And for this associativity of multiplication, that A bracket B multiply C equals to A multiply B, and here will C remain alone. This is the associativity of multiplication. And distributive also we have already discussed prior, so you have to write down here three examples. Now F1 is additive identity. Additive identity, you have to mention that whenever any number is added with 0, what we get? We get the same number. There is no change in that statement or that equation. Okay, you have to note down this. Okay, this is for additive identity. Okay, the identity or the identity of element. Now the last one is multiplicative identity. Yes, whenever we multiply any number with 0, we get 0. So you have to represent some examples related to these properties, and you have to write down three examples. You have to make table like this table and like this table. Okay, you have to make 2 tables, and you have to write down the three examples for each property. Okay children, I hope you all have understood. Children, at last I want to tell you a very good luck for your summer vacation. You have to study at home. You have to complete this math project because it includes some marks. Okay, so if you want marks, you have to study and you have to submit this assignment when we will meet. Okay, this project. So stay at home, be safe, and help your parents and complete your work and submit on time. Okay children, take care. Sai Ram.